Hey guys, it's Kat, and today I'm going to show you how to make a basic coffee mug cozy. I also have a tutorial on how to make this cute little avocado, and I got this from my mom, who got it, I think she said Hobby Lobby or Michael's. I'll do some research and I'll find where she got it. But literally it's just to fit your basic mug. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And you can make it any color you want. So it's pretty basic. So let me show you what you're going to need to make this quick and easy coffee mug. Okay, so what you're going to need for your basic mug cozy is your choice of yarn. What I'm going to use is Red Heart Would Love White, and this is all worsted weight. This is Red Heart Super Saver Tea Leaf, and then I don't know what that is, but it's dark green, so those are the colors I'm using. And then you're also going to need your H-hook, 5.0 millimeters, your tapestry needle, and some fancy or regular little scissors. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with your hook and your main color, which is going to be the body of the cozy, which mine is going to be white. I'm going to move this over so you guys can see it hopefully better. And what you're going to do is you're going to start with a chain of 40. Now a chain is like so. You grab your yarn, you kind of put it over. And you're going to start with the slip knot. You're going to insert your hook. You're going to grab your yarn, you're going to pull it up, you're going to tighten it but not too tight, and now you're going to chain the 40. So you're going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and you're going to do this till you have 40. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. And then you're going to single crochet back this way. You're going to start in the second chain from your hook, so not this one, but this one. Let me see if you can see it better. This way. Okay, so you're going to start right here, and you're going to do a single crochet, and which a single crochet is like so. You insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. So that was one. You go into the next chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both. So that was 2. And you're going to have 39 at the end. 4, 5, 35, 36, 37, 38, and 39. You're going to chain 1 and turn. And you're going to do this back and forth until you have 11 rows. So this was our first row. And then you're going to go do the single crochet back this way again till you have 11 rows. So this would be 1, this would be 2, so you got to do a total of 11 rows. Okay, so I am on my last row of single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now working down the unworked side, I would chain 1. Whoopsie. I'm going to chain 1. You're going to single crochet down 5 rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you're going to chain 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then you're going to go into, not this one, but you're going to go into the next one. Single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to slip stitch into this last one. You're going to slip stitch into this last one, which is insert hook. Grab yarn, pull through, and chain 1 and snip. And I forgot to mute my TV. So you've got this. You got this basic one going down. Now with your choice of color, you're going to single crochet on the bottom and the top. Now what I did is I took my I took a dark green because I'm making this to go with an avocado applique that I made earlier. I don't know if you can see that. So it's gonna look like that. Okay, somewhat. I know you guys can't see it super great, but okay. So I'm gonna take my dark green right here, and I'm gonna single crochet, right? Isn't that what I just told myself? Now with your choice of colors, single crochet on both top and bottom of the cozy. And you're gonna wanna do it making sure that it's gonna be facing the right way both times. So mine's gonna be facing the right way when my hook is out that way, okay? My loop or whatever you wanna call it. So I'm gonna attach my yarn in that first stitch here. I'm gonna take my yarn and I'm gonna go a whoop and a whoop, and then I'm going to tighten it. Okay, and then I'm going to single crochet. Oh, something's biting me. I'm going to single crochet in that first stitch I just was in. Okay, and then I'm going to single crochet across the bottom there. Okay, my last one, and then I'm going to chain 1, I'm going to snip snip, and I forgot to mention that you're going to need a button, and I think mine was 3/4 inch. You can get 3/4 inch to an inch size button, so it's like this. And now you're going to go to the top one here. This is over here. You're going to go to this top, and you're going to attach it just like we did at the bottom. And you're going to single crochet across again. Okay. I'm going to slip stitch it to, it's the first one of going down. That's what I'm going to slip stitch it to. Chain 1 and snip snap. Okay. So it looks like this. So birthday. Okay, and then you are going to take your other choice of yarn, and we're gonna slip stitch across, but we're gonna slip stitch across the bottom here. So we're gonna attach it to right under here where all your stitches are. You're gonna attach it right here. Okay. And then you go into your next one. You pull up and then you go bloop. Go into your next. And you don't want to make it too tight because then your cozy is going to be all wobbly, going to be odd looking. So you kind of want to loosen it up, or do a little bit looser than you normally would. Get in there. Really? And you're going to do this all the way across. And you could do this with any color combo. Your main color can be different. It's whatever you want. Okay, so, let's do that all the way across. Okay, so you've slip stitched all the way across, like that. And what I usually do is to finish it off is that, and then chain one just to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Okay, so like that. And now you're going to do that on this side as well, the slip stitch. Okay, so same thing. I'm going to slip stitch all the way across. Okay, so this is how your cozy is going to look. You can work it this way, you can work it this way, whichever way you want. So we should weave in our ends, and I'm going to get a button to sew on. So let's weave in our ends. Okay, so I weaved in all my ends, and I found a button that's pretty close to that color. So I'm going to sew that on here. And I'm going to use this green. I just want 2 strands of this. Okay, so come on. Okay. Okay. So there you have it. So this is, I think this is one of the cups I've, oh, it is the cup I kind of basted it up against. So there you go. Now, if your cup is smaller, what I find makes it helpful is if I kind of tie or twist, and it kind of makes it a little tighter, but that's totally up to you. So I also have a video on this little avocado, and that's why I made it this color, so I can attach my avocado. Watch, I'm going to spill this freaking coffee all over my computer, and then I'm going to be bummed. So, this is what I'm going to do. I can attach it to my cozy here. I can add googly eyes. I can add my little bow, which I have the tutorial on how to make this little guy as well. And also, where is it? My mom found these. I think she said Hobby Lobby? Hobby Lobby or Michael's. So those, I think this would be a perfect little fit. I mean, how cute is that? Holy guacamole. And you can put this on the, just a sleeve, a cup sleeve too. I have a tutorial on how to do the sleeve as well. So, I hope you guys like it, make it, share it, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks. Bye.